Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So today is the day. Oh man, I am so excited. The team has been working just so tremendously hard on this, but today's the day. So on beta today, that's right, blogging is now live. That's right, our next biggest feature. Now, of course, as always with big new features, we always like to put them on beta because, you know, we want feedback. We want to make sure we didn't miss anything. And we also want to make sure we're not disrupting all of you and your customers. So on that note, if you want to check it out, go to beta.gohighlevel.com right now. Go ahead and log in and let's take a look together. And I'll try not to fuzz the microphone too much like I normally do. So, all right, so you click on sites and you'll see it up here now. It says blogs. You can click here. And then I think in this particular case, oh, I love that. Look at that new animation they did. Oh, so check this out. So the way this is going to work is the blog is something that will be, of course, embeddable in all kinds of external websites. But just as a standard get started kind of methodology here, what we're going to do is we're going to embed it in a funnel or a website. So as you can see here, step one, it's telling you very clearly, listen, you need to go in, you need to add in the new blog element, which I'll show you in a minute, in order to actually put the blog into your into your website or funnel. Anyways, so we'll cover that in a second. But then obviously once you've done that, or you can do this later, you don't have to, you can do it as a second step actually, that you come in here and you say, boom, I'm gonna create my first blog post. And of course, as usual, all of you who know me very well, you know I am terribly not creative. So here we go. Hello world. And then I don't know, hi there. And then blog post image. Let's see here. Let's grab something random. Yeah, sure. Okay. Sorry. I don't know why I'm taking so long to do this. Let's just do the lizard. All right, cool. And then we hit create post. Now we're in here. Bam, we've got our new blog post. Now check this out. This is so cool. I love that they've done this. So first of all, they put in this really cool basic format here so that you can sort of check this out and just sort of get started, all that stuff. You've got the brand new text editor at the top that we're standardizing across the entire app, which is really awesome. You can see here, it's giving you a word count. We'll expand out on this as we go along for some SEO scoring and so forth. But I think all of that is really awesome. So now let's just skip ahead here. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Man, the team has made this so easy. So now at this point, there's a couple things here. So you can see here, you can change the URL slug. You can click on the SEO details here if you want to edit it. You can choose which category, and we'll get in. You can add categories, you can tag, you can add authors, you can do all kinds of cool stuff. But I'm just going to go ahead and publish right now. I have to do a category. My bad. So let me go add a category real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so actually what I was going to show, I was going to add a category, but I thought, well, let's just see how that works. So on the blogs page, after you add your first post, you're going to see this, and we'll go back to this in a second. But you hit the gear wheel, you go to categories, you hit add new category, and then I can just type exciting stuff, and now I'll have the exciting stuff category, I think. Oh, whoops, I need a, oh yeah, sorry, exciting dash stuff. Hopefully I spelled that correctly. Okay, add new category, done. They're gonna make it so that you can add the category right from the drop-down list. So, you know, just sort of don't be too concerned about that. We'll get that updated in the next couple days. But then once you have the category in there, obviously come in, you can choose the category, boom. Oh, I hit save as draft. Let me just do, actually come in here. Now we're back here. You can see all the cool stuff you can do there. And of course, in this case, what I actually want to do is publish it. And I'm going to publish it now. Boom, blog post published. My exciting stuff, blog post is done. Now let's go look at how we add it to a funnel. Okay, so I went and I just created a brand new funnel. Nothing exciting, as usual, not creative. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is just add a row, add a column, and let's add an element. So now, as you can see here, we have our blog post list. So we just add this. There's lots of really awesome options on the left-hand side. And by the way, there's a ton of help docs that I'm going to post. So don't worry, there's lots of good stuff there. So, you know, don't sweat it. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the preview button like you normally would on a blog. And let's see what we get. You can see here, obviously, I have to adjust some options. But look, there's my blog post, right? So I click on the blog post and boom, there's my new blog post. It's beautiful. Look at that lizard I chose. And so ta-da, there you go. You got blogging. And so there's a lot more to it than this, of course. I'm trying to keep the video less than 5 minutes if I can. But I am just so thrilled that the team got this out. From a beta perspective, we're going to try to get it, keep this to about a week. So, assuming there's nothing that huge that we missed and all of that, just a heads up. Anybody who is interested in the SEO stuff, don't worry. We've absolutely looked at SEO. This will SEO beautifully, perfectly, just the way you'd want it. We even double checked with the folks at Google to make sure. And so anyhow, at the end of the day, I just am so thrilled about this. I can't believe it's happening today. So just huge props to the team, everybody who worked tirelessly on this. Just so thankful. And as always, super happy that we could bring it out to you. And I hope all of you having an awesome Tuesday. Can't wait to hear your feedback. And I'm over my 5 minutes. All right. Talk soon. Bye.